Hello and welcome to this tutorial which will show you the traditional method for short division. You need to be quite confident with chunking to understand what's happening with the numbers. If you feel ready, let's get going. In this first example we will divide 88 into 3. On the right hand side, which is where we'll start, we'll do it with the chunking method that we've used in class. So we're dividing 88 into 3. We're going to remember by circling the 3 that we're using the 3 times tables in this. And I think to myself, how many lots of 3 can I get from 88? I use my times tables and I work out, I can manipulate them by times by 10. I can get rid of 60, which is 20 lots of 3. And if I take 60 away from 88, I'll have 28 left over. I ask myself again, how many lots of 3 can I get from 28? I can get rid of 9 lots because I know that 9 times 3 is 27 and I'm not going over. Take 27 from 28 and I'm left with a remainder of 1. So 88 divided into 3 is 29. I've added the brackets up there and I'm left with a remainder of 1. I will now divide 88 into 3 using the traditional method and try to link this method to this method here. So I start by looking at the 8 and think how many lots of 3 can I get from it. It's still 80, but I'm considering it as an 8. I can get 2 lots of 3 from 8, which is 6. So I can put the 2 lots there, and because I've got rid of 6 from that 8, I carry 2 over to make 28. And that is similar to what we've just done here. I've taken 60 away from 88, and I've carried the 20 down to join the 8 that's left over, and I've got 20 here, which is the same as this 20 here. I can then get rid of lots of 3 from 28, and I know that I can get rid of 27 from 28, which is 9 lots. So I'll put 9 lots on here, in the same way that I found 9 lots down here. 9 lots of 3 makes 27, and because I've got rid of 27 from 28, I've got a remainder of 1, and that's the same over here. So however you do it, 88 divided into 3 is 29 with a remainder of 1. Now, if you feel confident that you understand what you're doing, you can have a go at trying these yourself and pause the video. Otherwise, continue, we'll demonstrate how to do these next two. So, the first one is 753 divided into 4. First of all, I look at the 4, it's the 4 times tables, and think how many lots of 4 I can get into 7. I can only get 1 lot of 4 into 7, and because 1 4 is 4, and I've got 7 there, I need to carry 3 over to the tens. I then think about the 4 times tables and how many lots of 4 I can get from 35. I know that 8 times 4 is 32, and that's as far as I can go because 9 times 4 is 36. So I can put 8 lots of 4 into there, which is 32, and I have to count up to 33, 34, 35, which means I carry 3 to the units column. And then I think, how many lots of 4 can I get from 33? I can get, again, 8 lots, which is 32. With 8 lots, I get rid of 32 from that 33, and I'll be with 1 left over as a remainder. Now I'll look at 1,387 and try to divide that by 6. Now, look at the first digit. I can't get any lots of 6 from this 1, which is 1,000. So I start to look at the 1 and the 3, 1,300 as 13. I do know that I can get 12 from 6, which is 2 lots of 6. So I can put a 2 in this column here. 2 lots of 6 is 12, and because I've got rid of that from 13, I have to carry 1 to this tens column here. Now I think of how many lots of 6 I can get from 18. 6, 12, 18. That's 3 lots exactly, so I don't need to carry anything onto the units column. How many lots of 6 can I get from 7? I can get 1 lot with a remainder of 1. So 753 divided by 4 is 188 with a remainder of 1. And 1,387 divided by 6 is 231 with a remainder of 1. Pause this video now and have a go at working out these 4 divisions. Look back over the videos and the demonstrations before to see how to work out the answers if you're still a little unsure. Best of luck. Here are your answers. We'll go through them very briefly. For 93 divided by 5, it's 18. You can get one lot of 5 from the 9, that carries 4 over, and then I can get 8 lots of 5, which is 40 from the 43, leaving me with a remainder of 3. I then look at 372 divided by 6. I can't get any 6's from 3, so look at 37 into 6. I can get 6 lots of that. 6 6s are 36, so I'll carry 1. And then how many lots of 6 can I get from 12? 2. There is no remainder. 2,546 divided into 8. Once more, I can't get any lots of 8 from 2, so we'll look at 25. I can get 3 lots of 8 from 25. 3 times 8 is 24. So I put 3 up there and I carry 1 over. I can only get 1 lot of 8 from the 14, so I'll put 1 up there, and I have to carry 6 to the 6 over here. So I've got 66. And I can get 8 lots of 8, which is 64 from the 66, and that leaves me with a remainder of 2. And finally, 4,335 divided into 9. I can't get any lots of 9 from the 4, so think of 43. I can get rid of 4 lots of 9 from 43, and that leaves me with a remainder of 7 that I bring down to the tens. I look at 73. I can get 8 lots of 9 from 73, which is 72. I put the 8 lots up there and carry the 1 extra to the units column. I can only get 1 lot of 9 from 15, and that leaves me with a remainder of 6. No answers wrong? Everything right? Feeling confident? Feeling good? Then well done if you've got everything completed here successfully.